Hello viewers, this is an O2Cool battery operated fan. I don't know what the model number is. For whatever reason, O2Cool is notorious for not putting model numbers on their product packaging. But I got this for $5 at a secondhand store, and this isn't something I would normally find interesting, but I saw that it had a USB power on the side, and I thought I could make use of that to charge the camera, because it said it could charge tablets, so it probably has relatively substantial power output to it. So it takes it's supposed to have an AC adapter with it, but that was not included, which I really don't care, because I can't conceive a single situation where I actually want to use this on AC power. I've already put the batteries in there, so we're ready to test it out. I'm guessing this should have had screws on the battery compartment there, but those are not present. I did try to charge the camera off this, obviously before the video, and it did work, but it was not functioning as a power only port. And this is going to be a problem. And I've tried to purchase a power only cable for this camera before, and it didn't work. So I may get another one and see if I can get that to work. But anyways, I'm sure we can get some standard size screws to fit in there as well, so that shouldn't be an issue. But let's see if it works. Start off on low. Okay. It's trying to move. Oh, that don't sound good at all. Let's see if it'll go on high. Okay. Well, that's made in China for you. I guess we'll have to do a service and repair on this for sure.